Hello again, I'm Sara Sanders and we're now on day 5 cooking with Thermomix and we're going to make pizza. If you have a family, this is going to change your life. Not only is it easy, it's an absolute game changer in my opinion. Your children are going to make their own pizzas, healthy, no additives, all fuss free. Add tepid water and yeast to the bowl. Then add strong plain flour if you've got some. And Thermomix will literally knead the dough on its own. It literally takes a few minutes. The machine does it all for you. It kneads the dough. All hands off. Here we go. There's the dough. All we need to do now is put it into a bowl, slightly oiled, and let it rise. About an hour is good enough, I think. I suggest using your fingers to push it out, but some people prefer a rolling pin. It's entirely up to you. It's a very elastic dough, so whatever works for you. Then plaster it in tomato sauce and put on whatever toppings you wish. This recipe will make 4 individual pizzas, or if you're piggies like us, 3 will do. You need a hot, preheated oven, 230 degrees centigrade is ideal. I put mine on a piece of greaseproof paper and use a metal baking sheet. Depending how thin or thick your pizza base is, it will require between 12 and 20 minutes in the oven. And there you have it, pizza, all ready. Very, very quickly. Enjoy. If you'd like to know more, get in touch.